Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to Mr. TechFox. Today, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to create a shortcut for YouTube right on your desktop, so you can dive into your favorite videos with just one click. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe for more tech tips. Alright, first open your browser. So I'm gonna open the Google Chrome browser by clicking on the start menu and searching here Chrome. Click on enter and here type youtube.com. youtube.com. Alright. After then, click on the top right corner and select cast, save and share. Normally, click on the create shortcut from that. And here you can give a custom name here. I'm giving it default as YouTube. And then click on create and it will create a shortcut of youtube.com, and whenever you are going to click on that, it will automatically open youtube.google.com on your Chrome browser in a single click. On the other hand, if you want to create an app of YouTube, then normally click on that icon, or you can click on this three dot menu and here choose again cast, save and share and click on install YouTube. Normally click on install button and it will be installed on your desktop as an app. So every time if you click on this YouTube, then it will be opened like an app. There is another way to create a shortcut. Normally right click on your desktop, choose new, choose shortcut and here give the URL of the website. I mean https youtube.com. Click on next button, give it a name and click on finish. And that's it. There are 3 ways to create a shortcut for YouTube. If this helps, please consider subscribing this channel. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.